Time you listen to a professional. Land there.
Beware, for I am fearless, and therefore powerful.
Destroy them.
With decorum.
We'll be well positioned there.
Extra supplies here. Firepower is...
Leave some extra supplies here. Excellent.
Round one. Beginning.
We should move here.
An item! Free to a good home, but only one item per customer.
We're far from the ring and it closes in 60. Move your asses.
Evo harvesters are not available.
We have 45 seconds to cross a great distance.
Optics here. Close range.
I can make use of that.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
Throwing frag.
Optics here.
The enemy stands before us.
Level 2.
These ties bind. Throwing frag.
The ring moves, and we aren't in it.
First blood. Good thing it's not us.
Sending an arc star. Reloading.
My ultimate is charged. Smart bullet deployed. Smarter at least than the bow. Corrigan spotted.
Broke their shield now.
Smart bullet deployed.
Reloading.
Reloading. Bow here.
Attention.
Throwing frag.
Care package.
This will bind them.
Replenishing my shields.
Fasten
Evo
your
harvester here. L-Star. Energy ammo here.
I've leveled up. Time to perfect a skill. I've elevated my skills.
We should journey there.
Target spotted far off.
We should gather our forces.
Supplies here. That was all. These ties bind.
needs a restart.
Rampart special.
You follow them now, right?
Evo, extended supply bin there.
Weapon supply bin there.
Just a scratch. One thing.
Repairing damages. I'm under fire. Sending an arc star. Frag out.
Replenishing my shield.
Replicator incoming. Repairing damages.
I got snared. Enemy wings expanded is on this area. Watch out. Enemy revival here.
Wait, I have the banner. We must correct their failure. Repairing damages. 1 minute at a significant distance. "45 seconds. A great distance. Now, to execute." Putting the Phoenix kit to use. Putting the Phoenix kit to use. Repairing damages. Heal, heal, heal. Supplies. You would do well to use them. Excellent. I am at max level. I have sharpened my skills. I have the banner. We must correct their failure. Calling down a respawn beacon. Heal, heal, heal. Recharging shields.
Bring it to Alpha.
Loot bins have
Replicator
been
incoming.
stopped.
Wait now, I'll craft it.
Repairing damages.
That's my kill property. Rings nearby, 1 minute more close.
I'm knackered. Need a moment to heal.
Just escape. 1 second.
45 seconds and a nearby ring. We strategized effectively.
Hooligan spotted. Go there, now.
Doc, Cohen's here. Get done good, Doc. Come on back now. Hey, you followed him now, right?
Extended energy mag here.
Hey, Doc.
Evo cache here. We have 10 seconds. Move with purpose.
Syringe here.
There's a syringe here.
Frag grenade here.
Here's double juice.
The ring is coming. Reposition now.
You hear that? There's a care package coming down.
Enemy at that location. This location interests me.
Backpack here. Level 3.
Under fire. Grenade incoming. Down. Grenade.
On your feet. Last man's got your back.
Bullet away. We regroup here.
Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Broken enemy shield. Reloading. Smart bullet.
Fire. Cut down an enemy.
Nearby, 1 minute more. Hunt another squad. I'm up. Enemy taken out.
Reloading.
Recharging my shield.
Recharging shield.
Extended. Level 3.
30 seconds. Hostile spotted.
Replenishing my shields.
Our target is here.
We must reposition here.
We have 10 seconds. Move with purpose. Target acquired here.
Enemy over there. Forget that. Senior moment.
Shield battery here.
Smart bullets hunting foes.
Stop the ring.
Firing a smart bullet.
Squad left. No time to be tired.
I'm under fire.
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Shields are depleted.
Smart bullet hunting.